How to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. In this video, I will show you how can you easily add collaboration even after you are done posting. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, select the post where you want to add collaboration, click on the three dots and click on edit option. Now here at the bottom you will be able to see add paid partnership. If you don't see the option, take a screenshot of the screen and go back. Now what you need to do is report a problem to Instagram. For that, go to your profile and click at the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll below and search for help. After you click on it, click on the top menu that says report a problem. Continue to click on it and after that click on include and continue. Then you will be directed to a page where you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working on Instagram. If you want to explain your problem briefly, also upload a photo of the screen and that's all. Within 24 hours, Instagram will solve your problem and you can add collaboration by editing the post. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.